Hi guys, this is Sujata and you're watching GrammarENG, English grammar for ESL students. In today's class, we are going to discuss a vocabulary, a new word. The word we are going to discuss is comp. Comp. The pronunciation for this word is comp. Let's look at the meaning. Providing products or services free of charge as a token of appreciation, a favor. A free theatre ticket, book, etc., given usually for promotional purposes. So, comp means anything that is given as free of cost. Let's use the word comp in a sentence. Look at this sentence. They comped us the tickets. It means they gave us the tickets for free. Our meals were comped. It means our meals were given us free of cost. So far in this class, we have learned the meaning and usage of the word comp. Comp means any service or things given as free. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this video informative, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.